Hey everyone, something a little different today from Silence Tech. It's not Mark, it's Charlotte. This is my first video on Mark's channel and I'm looking forward to bringing you all some great content. Today I will be unboxing the UGREEN's NASync DXP8800. The kind people at UGREEN have sent us our own NAS storage device with 8 4TB NAS drives. It arrived in a nice fancy box with a sleek executive look. Currently the DXP8800 can be bought for £1,039.99 and this is their top model. Once the box is opened, you're greeted with a smaller box containing all the accessories. Plus there's a user manual in several different languages and lastly a warranty card. Accessories inside the box include 2 Ethernet cables, a power cable, 2 SSD silicone pads, 2 hard drive tray keys, plus a handy bag containing a screwdriver and a bag of screws. So that's all the accessories looked at. The DXP8800 is more compact than I imagined. I thought it would have taken up a lot more space, I barely even noticed it. The unit would fit in at any high-end office space, on show or neatly tucked under a desk. The unit is made from aluminium with a brushed metal finish and durable plastic. The power button is situated at the front, making it easy to access. Next to that we have power, network and hard drive indicators. On the right we have a selection of ports like USB 3.2 Gen 2, Thunderbolt 4 and an SD card slot reader. Spinning round we have a nice magnetic dust mesh filter. On the right is the power port and reset hole. Moving along there's 2 10 gigabit per second Ethernet ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, another USB 3.2 Gen 2 port and a single HDMI port allowing you to feed content directly to a TV or monitor. Lastly up here is the PCIe expansion slots. Full instructions to install an NVMe drive is in the manual. You can unscrew the back panel. Inside there's a total of 2 memory slots, one populated with an 8GB DDR5 memory module. Inserting the key here unlocks the hard drive tray. Press the buckle and hey presto we're in. Each tray has a sturdy feel to them and they're easy to open and close. UGREEN made sure I had everything. They sent along 8 4TB Iron Wolf hard drives. You can also install 2.5-inch drives by removing the fastening pins here. For the CPU, the DXP8800 comes packed with a 12th gen 10-core, 12-thread Intel Core i5 processor, allowing for super fast responsiveness no matter what task you throw it at. Of course there's a total of 8 SATA drives, but there's also 2 M.2 NVMe drive bays. There's enough storage to run a large company or a lifetime of media content. This NAS can hold a total storage capacity of 256 terabytes. The device supports JBOD, BASIC, RAID 0, RAID 1, RAID 5, RAID 6 and RAID 10. Once you've plugged it all in, it's easy to set up with an all-inclusive app and means you have access to all the functions in one convenient place. You can either download the NAS UGREEN app on your PC or phone and follow the instructions, or on web browser go to find.ugnas.com where your NASync will be detected and you can begin setup. The app itself works well and completes tasks very quickly. There's a video center for managing videos and creating libraries with ease. You're able to manage security and it includes robust antivirus software. The settings are in depth and allow for plenty of customization and you can switch on the fly between storage modes. Okay, so that wraps up today's video. I've covered all the basics and I'm only just getting started with my DXP8800. A massive thanks to UGREEN for sending out the unit. If not, it wouldn't have been possible. Thanks for watching everyone. Have a great day. Goodbye.